Good morning, Year 4A. Today is Sunday, the 29th of March, and today we are starting a new week of distance learning. I hope you all had a great weekend. I know at the moment we are unfortunately not really able to go out. Um, as you know, we have been advised by Abu Dhabi police to stay in, especially at night, and in general, it's just safe to stay home and not go out until absolutely necessary. But anyway, despite not being able to go out, I still hope you had a good weekend and you relaxed and you took your mind off things. I know some of you maybe worked on your homework, but if you didn't, that's fine for this weekend because I know that the first week was really, really hard for all of us, and I really appreciate your hard work. And it really was okay if you didn't do your homework for this weekend. If you did, you will get extra dojo points. But anyway, I just wanted to speak to you about your well-being. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. As I mentioned before, we have been advised to stay at home, and I do hope all of you are staying at home. I know that it's hard and we are all worried about what's going to happen. However, this is all in our best interest. We're all staying at home because we don't want the virus to spread and keep spreading. So it's for the best that we all stay at home until absolutely necessary. Speaking for myself, I've been at home the whole week. I didn't go out once. I just went out on Thursday in the evening just to do my quick grocery shopping. I went for 1 hour and came back. However, I am actually considering doing online shopping because I don't think it's too safe to go out even shopping. I mean, if we don't, or if I don't want to catch the virus, maybe, you never know who has it. So anyway, my point is that it is really important to stay at home at the moment, and I do hope that everyone is taking it seriously. Um, the same as you, I miss school, and I'm really hoping that we can all return as soon as possible. And if people keep going out and spreading the virus, unfortunately, we won't be able to go back. Therefore, if we take it seriously and we all stay at home, we will hopefully return soon. But anyway, there was another thing I wanted to talk to you about. At the moment, we are all kind of worried and a little bit anxious about what's happening and what's going to happen. And I just wanted to speak to you about your well-being. It's very important that we look after each other and after ourselves. And it's important that we feel good as well. So I just have a few tips for you on how to maybe feel better these days. Number one, I'd recommend that you don't work until late hours during the day. I know some of you are submitting their work and you are guys, many of you are finished by 2 p.m., 3 p.m., which is great, but others have to wait for their parents to come home to complete their work. So I would still like you to sleep well, take a break when you need to. I know that the work has to be submitted by 7 p.m., but try not to rush with your work. Just take your time, take it easy, submit your work, and please make sure that you relax afterwards. Okay, take your mind off things completely and don't think about school until the next day. At the same time, it's really important that we keep fit and healthy. I have been exercising in my home because I am also very active and I go to the gym, and unfortunately, I cannot go at the moment. So I would like you to take time every day or at least a couple of times a week just to, exercise a little bit. It will make you feel much better. I have a good tip for you. I have it open here on my laptop. I'm gonna share it with you. There are actually really nice YouTube videos. Let me show it to you. Here it is. It's actually called if you can see my mouse. It's called PE with Joe. Okay, he posts a 30-minute PE workout for you guys or for children around the world. He's a really cool guy. Some of you probably heard of him before. He's a really cool guy, and his PE workouts are really, really fun, and he posts one every single day. So just tune into his channel on YouTube and watch his videos for a bit of exercise. And another thing is that I would like you to also think about maybe the things that you've always wanted to do but never had time to do them. For example, I'm always busy and I rarely have time to read good books. So these days, after I finished all of my work on the computer, I try to make sure that I read at least for 1 hour. So think about these things. What makes you happy, and how can you productively fill your free time if you have any during the day? Well, I hope you do. But anyway, I'll just quickly walk you through your day. That's all from me about well-being. I hope you are looking after yourselves. I'm also unsure what's going to happen in the future. However, we are all in this together, and I hope that if we all keep safe and at home and stay at home, this will be over soon. So let's just do our best and hope for the best. Right. Your schedule tomorrow, let me take a look at it. So you will start your day with, let's take a look at it together actually. So you will start your day with English. So basically, you will start with spelling. You will do your usual activities in spelling. Everything is in the PowerPoint, and you will do your handwriting practice. Please, many of you last time submitted your handwriting, and it really seemed like you rushed through it, and it wasn't. Sorry about the notifications. And I felt like many of the submitted pictures, many of the work pieces were kind of rushed. So please make sure you take your time and do your handwriting properly. All right, then lesson 2, you will have English. You will do Kraken comprehension. You will log in with your Kraken comprehension login details, and the link is Rising Stars. Then you have Arabic, you will have to check on My Learning. In science, you will learn about the water cycle and about the processes in the water cycle. I'm sure many of you already know it from year 2 and 3. And in maths, you will be learning about rectangles and finding the area of rectangles. Anyway, every one of your lessons will have an instructional video to take you through the lesson and explain things properly. And of course, I will be available on Microsoft Teams for all of you who want to chat to me about anything. Anyway, I wish you a great day ahead. I hope the work is easy, and I hope you all submit your work, and I'm looking forward to reading your daily reflection. All right, so see you tomorrow.